All right, day 4. Here's today's weigh-in, 191. So the weight kind of always just like goes up and down, especially when you're drinking a lot of water and the protein intake. So it's gonna keep going up and down. We definitely want to start burning fat, so work on that. Get in the backyard, cut up, can't really see. My grass guy's back there. All right, now we're gonna start getting the vitamins. There's our vitamin drawer. Start getting our vitamins ready and our greens ready. Start taking those and see what else the day brings us. I know we gotta do a Costco trip, get some waters and a couple other things we're gonna need. We need some coffee cups. Ran out of our coffee cups. We need some Tarani, some sugar-free Tarani. So we got a couple store trips to take, and just to top off a couple other things we need. These are greens. This is the ones I'm taking right now. I mean, I've found different greens. The guy there that was working at GNC when I went, he was just kind of giving me a lot of good information. So I bought it offhand. And this is the creatine we're taking. And then this is the BCA I'm taking. So yeah, I found other ones. I mean, I'm just new to all this, so I'm trying them all out. Once I really find out which ones I'm seeing better results with, which ones are working, then we'll kind of just dial it in. But this is how I mix my greens. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so get our vitamins in, our greens in, our water in, coffee in, and verse of the day. And we'll start getting ready to go. See what we got going on for today.
My mom heard.
Yeah, for my new birthday year, 33, I'm not gonna go to the casino. I'm not gonna drink alcohol. On my birthday. No, on my birthday is gonna be actually 1 year since I haven't smoked weed. So that's gonna be my record. So for 33, my year 33, I'm just gonna take care of everything that God gives me and blesses me with. So if He does me that, if He blesses me with the will and the blessing of being able to be a fix and flipper, then I want to be a real fix and flipper, not spend the money wrong on negative things. So that's my promise to God, and that's what I'm gonna do. So right now, we just came to Winco. We didn't go to Costco since we only have to top things off. Just came to Winco, get the water and veggies and stuff that we need for the week. And I think that'll be good for now, and get a couple things for our friends and family giving and my little birthday dinner we're gonna do. But Mariela was saying that I should probably be able to drink on my birthday, but I don't want to. I don't want to make any exceptions. And plus, 75 hard challenge, no alcohol. So we're definitely, gonna keep off of that. So right now we're just gonna stock up, get a couple things we need, and then head back home. Looks like we got an appointment for the house when they're gonna come and what's it called when they come to the house? Appraisal. We got that appraisal. It's gonna be on Thursday, so Thursday can't get here any quicker. So definitely just staying tuned for that. Looking forward to that. I don't know if we'll have our answer yet, or Monday, or whatever day they come, but that's kind of where we're at right now with this whole process thing. Got the details fixed. The house is getting cleaned out in the back, and we're just waiting now. But definitely, that's my next mission. For this next year is just gonna be focus, faith, focus, manage, multiply, maintain. So Once we get this deal going, we're gonna go look for our next deal and just keep going. That's definitely where we're trying to be at. Oh dang, the limes are 13 cents each and 37 cents for lemons.
Can you see some avocado?
Okay, we do need some lemons and that's it. All right, so let me get this thing going. I love picking out my own veggies, so I come here, I like to pick out what I eat. Let me get going, let me focus. All right, so after Winco, we hopped over here to Walmart, get some utensils that we needed for the grill. We need the grill cleaner, and we need some more tongs. So we're gonna look for those right now, pick those up. And Mariela needs a cheese grater for her mac and cheese that she's doing for our Friendsgiving, family giving. So I think those barbecue stuff is gonna be outside. So look for the cheese grater here. And another thing they have here at Walmart that I like is like these oversized tees. These are super nice, these oversized tees, and then some jogger pants that I've seen that I like. So they got some nice little fits over here at Walmart. Came to get those stuff and ran into a little shirt, so had to get it. So there's two styles of cheese graters. There's this hand one, and then there's that style one. It's the old school traditional. We'll go with this style right here. Yeah. All right, so now I think the grill stuff is gonna be outside over here at the grill section. And they got some nice shoes over here too. These are like the New Balance style. Yeah. I think I should just start dressing all Walmart. Yeah. I think that should be my style. My style is to make Walmart clothes all my style. Cause I like the pants, I like the shirts, those shoes, not too shabby. Oh, another thing I'm gonna get here, some vitamins that I need. I was remembering I need to get some vitamins. And what else? So I think that's it. Walmart always has the good stuff. Let's see, here's the vitamins I was looking for. Let's see, it's K. We'll find it. Another thing I'm also noticing is that, like I said, creatine, like there's so many forms of it. There's pre-workout here. Let me just see. Okay, so the creatine, boom, right? There's gummy creatines. There's powdered creatine. So there's many forms of it. So that's definitely, once I run out, we're gonna start coming to get it other places. GNC ain't the only place. Plus that shit's super priced up at GNC. So let me look for that vitamin that I need, and then a couple other things that we need here. We'll head out. I think Mariela's calling me, so I'm gonna go look for her real quick. Let me see where she's at. She probably lost me over here. Let me catch up with her and get the stuff we need. The sick ass pumping today. Started on the pre-workouts today, so start seeing what the pre-workouts do for us. See if it's plus or good. Right now we're doing chest. We just did flat. Right now we're doing incline. I don't know what we're doing. We're doing up and down, up and down. I don't know what that workout's called. We just did burnouts. So we did the bar, 3 10s, and then back down. So right now, we're switching it up, single. We're doing 10 on each side. Started with the 35s, 40, 45. Right now, I'm just focused on getting the form right. Once I get my form down, then we're gonna start bulking up. But I mean, I can lift heavy, but I don't do the form right. So I'm trying to do the whole pressure, the whole, tension. So I'm trying to get all the tension I can and do everything right. So day 4 today, getting our workout in. After this, get our walk in. But right now we're on a sick ass pump. I got Los Hermanos. We're 18 minutes in. Got like 27 minutes more to go. So I'm gonna hit one more rep, 40s, and then I'll go up to the 45s. All right, we're getting our last workout in of the day. We're gonna wrap up with the 45-minute walk. I already got my routes figured out. Got my headlamp on. Everything all dialed in to where if I want to walk 45 minutes, I got this route. If I want to walk 20 minutes, I got another route. However much I want to walk, I already got it all figured out, dialed in. Just wrapped up a sick chest pump, did some legs, finished up with a little bit of abs. So now wrapping up the day with the walk. And tomorrow, wake up, I'm gonna go check out my jobs. Pretty soon though, pretty soon we'll be documenting all that, the jobs, progress at the jobs. You know, everything's going good. That's how I'm trying to build it, right? I'm trying to build it to be a self-sustained, self-maintained business to where everything can flow and take care of its own. And me just focus on the important stuff, which is dating, booking, invoices, following up, sending out receipts, you know, just working on the important stuff of the business and have the business just working on its own. And that way I can be free to work on myself, my body, my mind, and my spirit, you know, just working on the other business that we got going on. So it's definitely all in progress. Everything's in progress, right? My faith, my mindset, my body, everything's all in progress. And that's definitely what we're trying to be, right? We're trying to just keep going, keep leveling up. So definitely everything's flowing, everything's going. You know, everything needs to be dialed in correctly. It's all a matter of time. It takes time, right? I've been working on it for a while. Been, you know, back and forth, up and down in business. That's how it goes, right? But definitely once you get everything dialed in, then it's kind of just up and up and up from there. So it's definitely, you know, an up and down like a heartbeat thing. But, you know, when you flatline, that's when you die, right? So there'll be ups, there'll be downs. And that's where you learn, right? You learn from the ups and the downs. It's definitely been the way it is with me. Been trying to just keep going, keep growing, and just leveling up. Right now, we're on the next step, the next season of my life to where we're trying to get into real estate. So it's definitely what we're going to try to focus on, right? We're going to try to focus on real estate and concrete. That's what I've seen that works for me, that makes me feel happy, that makes me feel good, right? Is the house, fixing the house, you know, fixing the inside, the outside. That's what makes me happy, right? So it's definitely what we're going to try to focus on. And concrete, well, concrete's always been my thing, right? So always been, you know, doing the concrete thing. So I can't let go of that. It's gonna be my source of income to where we generate income to get the deals. We'll get money for the deals. And also the deals gotta pay themselves too. So we gotta make money from concrete, make money from real estate. I mean, all praying, right? Praying everything flows how it should be, and I'm leaving it all in God's hand. My business, my life, my future. I'm just giving it into God's hands, right? I'm praying about it and just really, really focus on that. I'm not gonna go too much into that, but like I said, previous clip, right? Just this year, I want to focus on the important stuff: faith, family, business. Go from there, right? Stay away from all the negative, the bad habits that took me down the wrong roads, and all the bad actions, right? The ego, the greed, the bad mindset. Just want to get away from all that and just be on the positive side of everything, the faith side of everything. So that's definitely where we're at with it, right? We're focusing on the good and just not even thinking about the bad. Bad happens so you can learn and grow and level up. That's definitely how I'm gonna see it, and definitely how it's been, right? I've been in my season to where God hid me, put me away. I've been working on myself, my faith, my body, my mindset. Been working on myself for a while. Had to go away for a little bit, but we're back. We're back with this new word, this new mindset, everything new, right? Everything refreshed. It's like God, well, when I got baptized, that's where everything kind of came, to me, where I could just start over, refresh, get this whole new start, this new aspect, this new mindset. It's definitely where my season that I've been in, and now we're stepping into this other season, which is, it's like we're stepping out of the wilderness, we're stepping out of the forest that we've been stuck in, that we've been stuck behind. Obviously, I got a lot of things I need to fix, right? But once I dial everything in, I feel like it's gonna go up from there, and just praying about it, leaving it on God's hands. So we're gonna wrap up this walk, finish up, and then we'll go read, write, and wake up tomorrow, do it all over, jobs, workouts, go from there. It's all up. All right, so that's it for today. Our workout, food intake was actually pretty low today. It was like at 160 grams of protein and like 1,600 calories. So pretty low today. Usually try to stay up a little bit higher, but workouts were good. Walk was good. Got everything that we needed from Winco. So it's a progress picture to wrap up. Progress video. We're all done. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow we'll actually, go check out some jobs and then still continue. I'm gonna have a little birthday food dinner. My mom and my sister are gonna plan for me, so we'll go over there to their house tomorrow and see what tomorrow brings. See what tomorrow brings. All right, so wrap up today. Oh, another thing I got today, like I said, start a pre-workouts. So just show you guys real quick which one I got. I went with the Walmart brand, but still, kind of wanted to stay on low caffeine. That way, I can break into it little by little. No sugar, so definitely, like I said, I'm trying to cut sugar. So this is my first pre-workout. And soon we'll start learning more, evolving, growing and getting better and better. So that's it for today, guys. Gotta wake up early tomorrow and just go get it.